In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the paper jam in your Canon Pixma TR4723 printer. So you will see the paper is stuck here and it also displays the error 1300, warning light is here. Now if you see any paper coming out and it is stuck here, open the ink chamber and try to take it out from this side. So if you can't take it out completely, as we can see the some part of the paper is just not coming out, then we can just close this section. Now go to the back of your printer. At the back we will see there is an option to open it, and you have to lift your printer and take the page out from this side. Now close it. The printer display panel and press on the OK button. So this should fix the paper jam and the printer will start to work normally. Thanks for watching.